Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for this year 2018. And I'm starting this year with a very special delicious dessert. It is the raw vegan blueberry cheesecake. This cheesecake has no dairy, no refined sugar, and it's also gluten-free. So for this recipe, for the crust we will need half a cup of walnuts, half a cup of almonds, 7 pitted dates, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And for the filling, we will need 2.5 cups of pre-soaked raw cashews, half a cup of coconut milk, 1/4 a cup of coconut oil, half a cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, the zest of 1 lemon, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of frozen blueberries. You can use fresh, and you can also use what other berries you like. So to start with the crust, in a food processor we will put the walnuts and almonds and process that until they are finely diced like this. Then we will add the dates, the pitted dates, the coconut oil and a dash of salt and process that again. And now in a springform pan, I will brush it all over with some coconut oil. And then to the bottom of the pan, I will add the crust and spread it evenly at the bottom. And put it to the side. For the filling, we will add almost all of the ingredients except for the blueberries. So the soaked cashews, the coconut milk, the coconut oil, the maple syrup, lemon juice, the lemon zest, and the vanilla. Into the blender and blend that until it is smooth. Now I will take 1/3 of this filling mixture and add it to my pan and spread it evenly. Then I will add half the amount of the frozen berries and blend that again. And then again spread that as a second layer on top of the previous one and make sure to spread it evenly. Then add the remaining berries and blend that again. And add that as the final layer. Then I will cover it with some clingform wrap and I will put it in the freezer for 6 hours or for the next day. Now before serving, you should remove it from the freezer and let it stand at room temperature for around 15 to 30 minutes. Remove it from the pan, decorate it as you want, and then serve. I hope that you will try this recipe. It is really creamy and it doesn't have refined sugar, so it is healthier than normal desserts, and it tastes amazing and looks really delicious. So I hope you will give it a go, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and on my website. Have a great day.